Hello and welcome to Car Lube. In this episode, I get a flat tyre on the M3 whilst out in the middle of absolutely nowhere. Stay tuned to see if I ever got back to civilization. I'm in the middle of literally nowhere. What am I going to do? Hang on a minute. Oh. I was sent a product from Audew, a compressor. Let's test it out. Luckily for me, I'd just taken possession of an emergency heavy-duty tyre inflator pump by Audew. It can inflate the average tyre from 0 psi to 35 psi in under 2 minutes, and in this test, I can tell you it was rapid. Okay, what have we got here? Well, that's okay. Now this looks like a unit. That's got some weight to it, that. Looks like we can connect it to the terminals on the positive and the negative of the battery. That's good. In a wider application, this digital tyre inflator is ideal for cars, motorcycles, SUVs, lorries. It's able to inflate a tyre up to 150 psi. I can't wait to get the paddling pool out. Plenty of length there. So I assume we pop that in there like that. Yes. And I'm looking for some valves. So looks like we've got a bar boost valve there in psi and in pounds. Good. Let's see where this plugs in. So looks like we've got some different ends there, but that one should be fine for what I need. Where does this plug? Oh, here we go. That goes into here. If I would imagine that, pull that apart, put that in, and there it goes. Lovely. So that is that. Let's put that on the car. So we need to find a place under the bonnet where we can put that. On a BMW you have a little cap under here, so we take that off. There we go. And that one can go on there like that. And then we have another little bit down here. This is the negative down here. So got the positive there, negative down here. And that should be ready to go. Let's plug him in. And this goes into here, I should assume. Okay, so we're all connected up. Let's switch the engine on. Here we go. And let's hit the button. The air pump features a 4-rod design, effectively reducing the vibration and noise. As you can see, it remains completely still during this operation. In the past, I've become accustomed to those small noisy OEM ones you get standard in the back of your car. They make a lot of noise, do a little dance on the floor and take forever, if ever, to inflate tyres. So this well-designed product is heaps better. Now I need about 35 psi, so I'm going to keep it running until we get to there. Done, so let's switch the engine off. I was very satisfied with this compressor. It seemed very well designed. Clearly a lot of thinking had gone into it, and at the price it seems quite cheap.
So if you fancy one of these in the boot of your car, you can buy with confidence. Right now the air compressor is being discounted to about $49 and can be purchased from Amazon. From the point of my order, it was in my hands within 2 days, which actually astonished me. I will post a link to the Amazon site where you can purchase one of these, and also the Audew website for full product specifications in the description at the bottom of this video.
Job's a good one. That was very, very fast. Let's get out of here. Oh.
Thank you for watching, guys. Just a reminder again, the links to this product are in the description below. See you on the next video. You see that M button there on the steering wheel? Yes, there it is. Many people ask, what is this button for? Does it make the car faster? In answer to that question, yes, it can do, but there is much more to it than that.